Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your currency on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and open the application to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time opening the application, you don't have an account, you'd like to go and click at getting started to create your account, as I said. Then you would like to, sorry, I meant if you don't have, if you do already have an account, just go log into your account and you'll be good to go. So, of course, if you don't know or you get confused while creating your account, you'll find a video on how it will show you how to create your account or how to register on Coinbase application. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application. As you should do, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps, or as you already did, we'll just wait for the application until it loads, and that will actually be your home or your main screen. So if you want to change your currency on the Coinbase application, as you can see, if I go here to the assets, I have, this is my currency right now. So if you want to change the currency, you would like to change your country. How can you change your country on Coinbase application? You'll find out a video on this channel as well on how to change your country. So after changing your country, all you need to do, just log out from your account, click here, click as profile settings, and then sign out or log out. Then just go sign in again or log in again, or even if you want to delete your account and create another one with your country changed. That will definitely change your main currency. And if you want just to convert it, of course, you can just go here to trade and choose whatever you want, then click at, so let's use it as an example, Bitcoin, then click at transfer, choose to buy or sell, and do whatever you want. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.